This year for president?
I'm voting for Barack Obama.
Who are you voting for?
Barack Obama.
Show me your Barack Obama dance.
He's going to be shaky, boo, 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 boo. What's that? Sorry if she's being very rude. Yeah.
So who are you voting for?
Oh, I'm voting for Mitt Romney.
Why are you doing that?
Oh, because he said he'd give kids candy.
I might have to disown you, child.
He said he would give kids candy to all over the world and balloons and party poopers. Oh, and he also said he would give us as many treats as we wanted. We'd have the best birthday parties. Oh.
That's not too far from what he actually is saying.
What do you mean? It's not like he's a witch with a big fat wart. Oh, yes he is!